Hello there guys, Thoniverse here again. Basically, the Philippines is being an archipelagic country surrounded by various bodies of water. It's home to a diverse and vivid underwater world. In fact, our entire country lies in Coral Triangle, the global center of marine biodiversity. As you all know, that this video is a series of my travel events for the past 3 years of traveling. I owe the people that I travel with and my deepest gratitude towards you all this year. So now, this will be my part 2 of my top 5 best places to visit here in the Philippines. Number 5 will be Bohol. I see Bohol as a showcase of what you can find in the entire Philippines. Paradisiac beaches, mangroves, river cruises, jungle adventures, and top-notch diving spots all in one place. Bohol is like a condensed version of the entire country, which is why this bountiful province is always on the list of must-visit places for the first-time travelers in the Philippines. Behold Bohol, an island of limitless possibilities, from sea to summit and everything in between. The island offers an unforgettable experience with history and heritage, unparalleled encounter with the nature and exhilarating adventures. An island of scene and nature. Its wealth of natural and other attractions, rich delicacy, and lovely people. All this comprise the charm that will make you fall in love with Bohol. My Bohol adventure was an off-the-beaten-path exploration of an island so diverse that I found something unexpected around each corner. Lose yourself amidst the bizarre beaches and hills. Fall in love with the place and make friends with smiling locals. Bohol has everything for the perfect getaway. Number 4. Dumaguete. Dumaguete is located in the coastal area and capital of Negros Oriental Province, with the other nearby provinces such as Cebu, Bohol, and Siquijor within arm's reach. Also known as a city of gentle people, hence the people there are so friendly and polite. Ever since I got to Dumaguete and totally been here 4 times, the location is serene. The people are so accommodating, and especially the foods. One of the best cuisines I ever tried here in the Philippines, and it never fails to amuse me. Only a handful of people know that the province of Negros Oriental is home to some breathtaking sights, unique scenery of lakes, uncover the beauty of Apo Island with friendly turtles and natural reefs, chasing majestic waterfalls and enchanting islands. Its capital city, Dumaguete, serves as a getaway to all the wonderful things the province has to offer. What made it even more endearing to visit tourists is the warmth and kindness of its people. Number 3. Moalboal. Moalboal is a beach town on the southwestern side of Cebu and one of the top attractions in the province. For many years, this place has been a major attraction mostly for locals. Discover the best of Tanyon Strait, the body of waters between the island of Cebu and Negros. In the spot, you'll experience one of the best beaches in Cebu, diving spots, snorkeling and island hopping, to witness the awesome reef in Pescador Island, chasing turtle with a vast coral reef you can plunge all in one place. The small town of Moalboal on Cebu Island is home to potentially the most impressive natural phenomenon in the Philippines, the Sardine Run, since visiting the town offers the chance to dive and snorkel with the millions of sardines. Tourism in Moalboal is taking off these days. Number 2. Siquijor. Siquijor is located in the South Visayas region of the Philippines and locally known as Isla del Fuego, or the Island of Fire, not because of a raging volcano, but because of its mystical myths within the island. The unassuming province of Siquijor has rose to fame in recent years. This largely uncharted region is oozing with pristine beaches and gorgeous diving spots. It is comprised of towns with the idyllic coastal charm. There's something about the vibe on Siquijor, known as land of witchcraft, enchantments, and sorcery. So much the older people from the other islands are afraid to visit. But once this place rewards you with pristine beaches, lush hiking trails, and amazing waterfalls, you'll quickly put them behind your back. Myths and legends may define a place, but actually being there helps you unravel its secrets. I've learned that the true magic of Siquijor lies in the unspoiled beauty of the island, and its people who value and carry on their tradition. Lastly, number 1. Camiguin. Camiguin Island has always been on my list of places to capture and cherish. knowing that it is an island which is gifted with almost everything in it. Volcanoes, mountains, hot springs, cold springs, smaller island of its coast with white sandy bars nourishing clear blue waters, and waterfalls packed in such a small island. Camiguin has its own airport that can be reached by flying Cebu Pacific and PAL via Manila that takes almost 3 hours connecting flight since there's still no direct flights from Manila and also 1 hour away from Cebu. It's a small mountainous island with volcanic origins and home to 7 volcanoes and other mountains. No wonder it is also known as the island born of fire. It is the only place on earth with the highest density of volcano for a certain land area. Delve into the pear-shaped island of Camiguin in northern Mindanao. This dazzling island is an old favorite of tourists due to its glimmering azure waters lapping its coastline. To express and contrast, Camiguin is a beautiful island would be an understatement. That's why I choose Camiguin, one of the top best places I traveled with. Thanks for watching guys. If you have questions regarding how's my travel and everything, just ping me up in the description down below. It's my Instagram link and Facebook. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. Keep the vibes open and keep safe always. Peace.